to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be blowing air into this Taba squishy because, as you may have seen in my other video, I don't really care about Taba squishies that much. Who likes my nails? I done them myself. I don't like them that long, but like, so this can be like, I don't really care about this one that much. Like, this is my first ever Taba squishy actually though, so I don't care. And I'm gonna blow some air into it. This can be like a testing Taba squishy, so I've got like this like balloon kind of thing. I just found it there. I'm gonna like need to like put it like in. Okay, it's in there I think. So yeah, I can see it in there. Okay, I need to like hold this. Oh, I don't know if you could see that poking out there. Okay, let's see if this will work. Oh, I need like a better bit, but it does work. So I'm gonna like put it like kind of in like the middle of these petals. I don't really know if it's going in. I think it's in. Okay. So here. Okay. So let's see if this works. It's not working. Wait, is it? Okay, I'm gonna like fill this whole thing up and then I'm gonna like do an ASMR of me like popping it or something. So I'm kind of just gonna like keep on doing this kind of thing and I'll be right. I'm trying to blow like this wee bit up, but wait, I don't know if it's blown up now. Oh, I've still got this wee bubble. No, the front of that. Okay, another bubble. I need two that are like directly across from each other, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm gonna like poke it in like here and see what would happen. I don't really like when they're really sticky. I'm kind of afraid. I'm gonna like poke it in like the bottom bit, so like kind of like inflates in the bottom bit. Kind of, I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, like, ooh, it's hard to hold while it's inflating. Ooh, I need to like turn or something. So what the actual heck though? I bounce. I'm gonna keep on kind of using like everything else I've been doing. Like just okay. Guys, we just haven't. I don't know where to go in that. Like here maybe, probably. Nope, I'm scared. I don't like this that much. I don't like it that much. I don't like this. But back bubbles to the pin. Trying to like can I do it? One. Like can I do like the top like there kind of thing. When I blow one, the bottom one goes I'm gonna keep on blowing them and the bottom bit. No, this is actually hard to do. Where I don't even know what blowing this. I'm gonna the top is like in the middle. Okay, just see. I'm doing this guys for you. So how did you get that? I'm gonna see this one then. Ready? I don't know. Okay, wait. I think I actually fill up the whole thing first. Like, what? I was doing. Oh, no, I just popped all of my face there. Or something. I'm gonna reset that. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing these ones, wait. That's like all one more. Like just one more. So this is what I think that's gonna be now. Okay. ASMR. Ready. Oh my gosh. No, my Taba screen. This is my first ever Taba squishy, guys. Look, it's like we have like skin or something, but lately I don't like it. I like leave something like on my hand. It feels weird. You should try it. I'm gonna blow one more, like a big one. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, my tab is squishy. No, it made a hole. Look, it made a hole, guys. Oh well, my Tetris tab is squishy now. Bye bye.